Have you been wondering how you can possibly start with $100 and grow the $100 into thousands of dollars, right? This is beginner friendly because that is what we started with. So in this video, I will also show you the strategy that will help you grow the $100 with no time, right? So I'm James Gides, I teach you how to make money in the forex market, show you the best way to be profitable in the forex market. So if you're new here, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and smash the like button if you find value in the video. Let's make it happen real time. So first and first, why did you start forex, or why do you want to go into forex market? And for me, I started forex trading because I want to grow my finance. It's not like I am jobless, and it's not like I work 9 to 5. I am the owner of Gides Multimedia, and I'm also the owner of Versatile Contractors, right? So you see, I also want to grow my finance. I don't know what brought you to forex market, but if you are in the forex market to make thousands of dollars overnight, I'm telling you, you are seriously in the wrong track. With this mindset of making thousands and millions of dollars overnight will really make you blow your accounts, and you end up being frustrated, or you might even end up giving up forex trading, right? So what makes us consistent is not the money, right? It's the passion. And don't be moved by the noise moving around social media platform that somebody will just wake up overnight and say, I'll grow $100 to $100,000 overnight. Calm down, relax. There's a process and there's a stage to that. So what is forex trading? Forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies to profit from their changing value, right? And forex trading is the largest financial market in the world, which is being traded over $6.6 trillion every single day. You are also welcome to tap from the over $6 trillion that is going down every day in the forex market. Possibly you will love it, but all I want you to do is to be consistent, patient, and control your emotions. Am I understood? So if you can't control your emotions, you will end up blowing the account within a short period of time, and you need to wait and be patient for your strategy to play before you jump into the market. Go chasing the market. Don't over trade, because you are going into the market with just $100. Make sure you risk only 1 to 2% of your capital. So if you are trading with $100, right, make sure you only lose $1 or possibly $2. So in that way, you can stay in the market for a very, very long time. Make sure you always pay attention to fundamental analysis, which is the economic news. Forex Factory or my FX book, right? Install the software. In that way, whenever news is dropping, they will send you a notification immediately. If you don't understand news, you will end up blowing your trading account. Another one, time. You need to understand time and the pair that you are trading at some particular time. It's not like every currency moves the same. But we have London section, US section, Asia section. Make sure you just analyze your market, keep and wait for the section to click. Make sure your analysis is aligned with the news that is possibly dropping. Very, very important. So let's go ahead with the setup process so we can start trading immediately. So first and first, to start trading is a broker. And what is a broker? Broker serves as your online bank. That is where you deposit money that you use for distribution, right? And once you have a broker, you need a trading platform, right? That is where MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 comes in. I will also show you how to set that up. So you also need a platform that will help you with analysis. That's where TradingView comes in. And if the trade goes your way, you can possibly go to your Exness, or you can go to your broker, withdraw your money. If the market go against you and you want to deposit more, you go to your broker, you deposit more, right? That is how it works. So let me show you how to install and how to set up your broker to your MetaTrader 5, right? That is to your trading platform, and how you can analyze the market and the strategy that you will use as a beginner to start making some cool lot of money, right? To possibly grow that account. And for some of you that have been asking that, what device do I actually need to start trading, right? All you need is a device that can install your broker, MetaTrader 5, TradingView, right? And your economic calendar softwares. So why most people go for larger screen is because they want to see the analysis clear. Without the trading view, you can use your MetaTrader 5 to analyze the market. Use any gadget that can install your trading software and you're good to go. So you need a platform that will allow you to deposit funds, which is a broker that serves as your bank, right? Just go to your app store or you go to your Google Play, right, and search for Exness, right? Is the broker that I use, right? And the link is right at the description. I also use OctaFX, right? But for this particular video, we are going with Exness. So as you can see, here is my Exness. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click install, right? So I will wait for you to install. So right now, after installing your Exness or your broker, right, you go over and search for MetaTrader 5, right? MetaTrader 5 is actually the new version of MetaTrader 4, right? So you can go ahead and install MetaTrader 5. Very, very important. So after that, go over and search for my FX book. As a forex trader, it's not all about your analysis, right? It's not all about your strategy. Yeah, there are news that moves the markets, right? FX book, look at it over here. So the next thing is to go and set up our broker so we can deposit some cash and start trading the forex markets. So my Exness is still installing. Possibly is the device or the network, right? So let's wait for it to install. If you find value in the video, seriously, and you want to put a smile on my face, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you're confused about anything entirely, drop it at the comment section. I will respond to each and every one of you, right? So I'm here to help, and I'm here to help you make some cool lot of cash in the forex markets genuinely. Don't forget about the social media hype. So go ahead and click register if you don't have an account with them, and if you have an account with them, just go ahead and log in. But to make everything easy, if you have a Google account, right, if you have a Google account, you can go ahead and click the Google, right, and register with this broker, right? If you're registering, make sure you verify your account, right? Make sure you verify your account, you have your NIN, or you have any utility bills with you to verify your account, right? In that way, or whenever you make profits, they will allow you to withdraw your cash, right? But if you don't verify your account, they won't allow you to withdraw your cash, right? So you can use the link at the description to register with Exness. So let me log in. When I started trading, right, I found this account over here with $100, and that is the major reason why I left it blank, right? So let me show you something. For you not to blow your first $100, right, make sure you trade them on accounts for like 3 months. But if the $100 is possibly nothing to you, right, you can go ahead and start trading with it immediately. But my advice to you as a beginner, at least master 1 or 2 strategy. Even this strategy that I'm about to show you, still master it so that you will not end up blowing your $100. Am I understood? So come over to deposit over here, click on deposits, and if you have a crypto wallet, or you can go ahead and deposit using your crypto wallet, or you use all payments method, go ahead and click using all payment method, and they will bring you to this particular page where you can deposit directly from your bank, or you can deposit using your card. Among the students can see only bank transfer, bank card, you can deposit using Bitcoin, and so many of them. That means you have to link this account with your MetaTrader 5 to allow you to place your trade. Here's our MetaTrader 5 is because I am possibly using tab, right? The next thing is to go ahead and click on the plus button, copy the Exness, right? Go over to your MetaTrader 5, paste it over here. So, and they will bring you to this space here. All you need to do is to go over to your Exness again, go to your MetaTrader 5, paste it over here, and first thing first, you need to create a password for the account that you created, right? You can possibly come over here and change your password, which I'll possibly change this password because I don't know the password of this account anymore. I just logged in my account. As you can see over here, it's a count of $4,300, right? So let me show you guys how to use this particular strategy and start benefiting, right? And start making some cool lot of cash from the forex markets. basically I use this strategy most times, right? So one thing is that we have two moving average, as you can see clearly. One is white, right, and why the other one yellow. That's how I set them up, or you can set them up as you want. Why? Because white to buy and yellow to sell. If you look closely, you will find out that this moving average over here cross over themselves, right? The white cross over the yellow, clearly tell you that it is buying. As you can see, it gets over to this white line, right, and retest the line and push back up. There are rules of using moving average indicator to trade. You don't use moving average when the market is ranging. As you can see, it lines keep crossing over themselves severally to tell you that the market is not clear. You use moving average when the market is on trend. So get it today, or you can possibly write it down. Don't trade when the market is ranging. Price is coming down, the yellow line crossed over the white line and the market went bearish, right? Get to this place and do some little range and the same thing happened. Enough. As you can see over here, the same thing. Why I said you shouldn't trade on a ranging market, you see exactly what happened here, right? It goes up, come down, goes up, come down, goes up, come down. You don't trade on a market like that. If not, you end up blowing your cash. Now let me show you where to take your profit and where to place stop loss. Basically, as you can see, I wish we enter earlier. We would have entered from here and take our profits in the next resistance or support level, right? In such a way that you need to close the zoom and know the next support or resistance level. So at this point, I wish we entered the market somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. Our first profit would have been somewhere here, and our second profit would have been somewhere here. Am I understood? Would have been somewhere here. When the line show a sign of crossing over themselves, you start looking for either buy or sell, right? So let me show you how to set it up. If you're using an Android, right, you can tap on your screen, right, and you come over to this place right here. Once you click on it, right, as you can see, my two moving average, for you to add them up so they can appear like this on your MetaTrader 5, all you need to do, when you see this main chart, right, click on it, and as you can see, there are so many indicators here that you can use, right? We are going for moving average, as you can see here. Once you click the moving average, right, that is where they will appear like this. So to set them up, you click on it, right, you come over to period and turn it to 9, right? Turn it to 9, come over to method and select exponential, then click save, right? Go to the second one, right, which is your buy, right, and come to period, change it to 21, go to method exponential. I think that is it. So use moving average wisely. Don't use moving average when the market is ranging. Allow it to break out from the ranging, right? So possibly I will show you guys how to trade breakout. So if you find value, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next video on how to use moving average properly. This is a strategy that will help you take that $100 that you're putting in the market to something cool.